Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So today's video is another collaboration with Rpgshow. This is the packaging that the unit came in. It always screams luxury. So they sent me a wig cap, a flyaway tamer, an elastic band to lay your edges, and another elastic band to secure the unit down. They also sent this magazine that has a ton of all the Rpgshow units, which I thought is very cute. So this is the unit. This unit is honestly given fall, and I'm totally here for it. So straight off the back, the unit was very soft. There was no shedding at all, and I was definitely pulling it a lot. It's a 13x6 glueless Swiss lace wig. It's also 200% density, and it's in 16 inches. Now I do have a coupon code. My coupon code is Sharon, and you get $80 off. So you may want to use that. You can also get $80 off any unit at all. It doesn't have to be only this unit. So like I mentioned, it's a 13x6. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything. And that's one reason why I love Rpgshow, because they do everything for you. It's perfect for beginners. You literally just cut off the lace, pop it on your head, and you are good to go. Now this would be my fourth unit from Rpgshow, and honestly I save them for special occasions because they're that good and they look so natural. I typically have tried like yaki straight textures. I think this is my second silky straight texture from RPG. So I went ahead to cut off the ear flaps, which is pretty easy to cut. I just typically try to make it cut it in a way that I can tuck it behind my ears, if that makes sense. I know it's very daunting. When I first started installing wigs, I used to hate cutting off the ear flaps, but with practice you kind of get the hang of it. So yeah, after doing that, I also went ahead to cut off the lace, which was extremely difficult, which is a good thing. Okay, I could not see this lace. That's why I'm like super zoomed in, because I had to look so close into my mirror. Typically I like to cut my lace very close to the hairline, but lately I've been cutting it with a few inches of lace just so that I can play with it. I'm still getting used to the idea of having some lace showing because I don't like it, but you know, I'm just trying to experiment. So I like to use an eyebrow razor because it just gives me that jagged cut, which I think makes it look more natural. And then I'm going to use my Ebony New York hairspray. I'm using 2 layers because it's summertime and I just do not want humidity and sweat to make my lace lift. And when I tell you this lace did not move, I had it on all day. I went out in LA's heat and I was sweating, but she did not move. She was super duper secure on my head, and it's also very easy to install. Like, I honestly, Rpgshow, they can get my coins any day. So yeah, this is me basically just installing the unit and securing everything down, and then I'm going to tie it with my elastic band for about 10 minutes. But whilst it's tied, I'm gonna go ahead and just style this unit and straighten it. It was actually very easy to straighten. It took to heat very well. I think it helps that the unit comes naturally straight. I haven't washed this unit yet, but I 100% believe that it's gonna be straight still, because when I used my heat protectant, which is of course liquid based, it didn't like revert or get like wavy. It was still super duper straight. So yeah, this unit did not come with any smell. It didn't actually shed. Like, I'm not even kidding. I was pulling and tugging and playing with this hair. There was literally no strand on my brush or my comb. It is colored hair, so if it sheds, you're definitely going to know. Overall, I actually really did like this unit. I'm gonna save it for like 4 special occasions. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's 16 inches and it's just a very nice everyday kind of length. You can actually straighten it in a way that gives that 90s inspired blowout look. But I didn't, but you could definitely do that. So yeah, that is it, guys. Also, you can check out the description box. I have some links that will show you all the wigs that are on sale, and also any clearance wigs you want to get. So yeah, highly recommend you check those out, and don't forget to use my coupon code Sharon to get $80 off. So yeah guys, that is basically it. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless. Bye guys.
I've been feeling the same things. Out here just waiting. Doesn't matter where we go. I'll be for love someone and they'll just give you hell. Feel keep to ourselves. Give yourself and hope it all goes well. Maybe this time I could do it better. Love someone and they'll just give you warm lights on cold nights. Doesn't it feel right when we wake up, make love? I feel so paralyzed, choices I don't even want. Ooh, if you wanna just be honest and say so. Say you want me, let go. I've been feeling the same things. Are you just waiting? Doesn't matter where we go. I'll be for it. Love someone and they'll just give you hell.